All of my friends are having a great time playing with Max the monster truck at his stunt track. Everyone's getting covered in thick brown mud. I think it's time to get cleaned up. Max, Rebecca, Fiona, Danny, it's time to bring everyone over to Gecko's garage so that you can all get cleaned up in our car wash. How many yucky, mucky trucks and other vehicles are there? Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 muddy vehicles needing a wash. Let's start cleaning you all up. One at a time now, into the car wash. Biggest vehicle first. Here comes our biggest vehicle, the first to wash today. Ah, it's Larry the lorry. He's big and tall and grey. Who's the second vehicle? I don't know. Do you? Of course, it's Bobby the bus. Back to a purple hue. And third in line for cleaning, flashing lights upon her head. It's Fiona, the fabulous fire truck, shiny, strong and red. The fourth truck is so dirty, only her eyes can be seen. It's Rebecca, the recycling truck, with her paintwork bright and green. Do you know who the sixth one could be? Covered in gunk and goop. Ah, it's Danny the digger, with his enormous yellow scoop. The fifth truck has 4 giant wheels. He's really very mucky. It's Max, the orange monster truck. It's his fault they're all yucky. The seventh, with a mud-filled loudspeaker balanced on her head. That's right, it's Amber the ambulance. Now she's back to white instead. The eighth one through is smaller. Let's get his colour back. It's Tony, the helpful taxi, with his paintwork glossy black. The ninth one is another car. At least that's what I think. It's Sophie, the speedy sports car. What a lovely shade of pink. This last vehicle is the 10th we've seen. Let's make her good as new. It's Millie the motorbike on 2 wheels, a brilliant shade of blue. Everyone looks fantastic. Now you're all washed and clean, you can go back to your important jobs. Well, watch out for that muddy puddle. Uh-oh, too late. Danny the digger and his family are working very hard on the building site today. It rained last night, and now the building site is covered in thick brown mud. Danny and his family look very tired and very muddy after all their hard work. You can't even tell who's who. I think it's time to get cleaned up. Danny, Caroline, Ryan, Celia. It's time to bring everyone over to Gecko's garage so that you can get all cleaned up in our truck and car wash. How many yucky, mucky construction vehicles need cleaning up today? Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! 10 muddy construction vehicles needing a wash. Let's start cleaning you all up so that we can see who is who. One at a time, into the car wash. Smallest construction vehicle first. Our first vehicle's the smallest, but she more than pulls her weight. It's Florence the fabulous forklift. She helps lift pallets and crates. The second through is little too, but his talent never ends. Tiny Sid, the skid loader, loves helping all his friends. 3 is waving her scooping arm. You really can't have missed her. It's Mia, the mini digger. She's Danny's little sister. Vehicle 4 won't let you down, even when things get bumpy. It's Rick, the reliable road roller. He stops roads being lumpy. I think we all know number 5, even if he's covered in gloop. That's right, it's Danny the digger, with his brand new extra scoop. Number 6 is in a fix, all muddy, tired and glum. It's Celia, the cement mixer, with her churning, spinning drum. Number 7 really makes a mess when he carries things around. Yes, it's Dylan the dump truck, always tips stuff on the ground. And number 8 loves breaking things, always has a smashing time. It's Ryan, the wrecking ball crane. So there's just 2 more left to rhyme. Our 9th friend is... Uh-oh. Oh dear, this is a problem. The 2 largest vehicles won't fit in our truck wash. They're far too big. We're going to have to wash them another way. This looks like a job for the mechanicals. Go, go, mechanicals! Our 9th friend's too big for the truck wash. She's so giant there just wasn't room. It's Caroline, the mobile crane, with her telescopic boom. We've already cleaned up 1 dump truck, but now there is 1 other. George, the giant dump truck. He's Dylan's big, big brother. Fantastic. Everyone looks shiny and clean. Now you're all washed and clean, you can get a good night's sleep before getting muddy all over again tomorrow. Hello everyone! The mechanicals have been busy upgrading the truck wash so that it can do all kinds of new things. Today we're going to try out the new Halloween machine setting to get our friends ready to go trick-or-treating around town. Here they come now to help us test it out. Vicky, Andy, Max, Fiona, Rebecca, Mia, Florence, and Bobby. Before the trucks drive through the truck wash, we need to find the Halloween button. Can you help me find the right button? Which one do you think it might be? That's right, it's the pumpkin.
Halloween mode activated.
First is Vicky the ice cream van. Let's hope there is no hitch. Her ice cream cone becomes a hat. She's now a brilliant witch. Andy the animal ambulance is next in after that. A quick spray paint, and then he makes the perfect witch's cat. With a name like Max the Monster Truck, he's already halfway there. And with a whole new monster suit, he'll give us all a scare. Here goes Fiona the fire truck into the spooky vapour. She's a mummy wrapped in bandages. Or is that toilet paper? Rebecca the recycling truck drives into the machine. She's a scary swamp monster, or slimy, big and green. Mia the mini digger's ready for her Halloween treat. She makes a brilliant ghost, now that she's covered with a sheet. In goes Florence the forklift truck. They're adding all sorts of things. She's now a flappy vampire bat with pointy teeth and wings. And now it's Bobby the bus, our last Halloween machine rider. And out he comes with 8 new legs. A big, huge, hairy spider. You all look fantastic. The mechanicals and I feel a bit left out. I'm going to go and change into my costume whilst the mechanicals take a trip through the Halloween machine. They built it, so it's only fair that they should get to have a turn. They head into the big machine. Will they be ghost or ghoul? Ha ha! They've all got pumpkin heads. That's so mechanical! Now I have my skeleton costume on, and everyone else is dressed up. We can all go trick-or-treating around the town. I hope you all have a spooky Halloween. See you again Hello everyone! My construction truck friends want to play a game of hide and seek. But it's tricky to hide when you're all bright yellow. Luckily, the truck wash has a new respray setting, so the trucks can try being a different colour for the day. Right then, who's in first? Dylan the dump truck? Red. Sid the skid loader? Orange. Caroline the crane? Green. George the giant dump truck? Blue. Rick the road roller. Purple. Danny the digger. Pink. Ryan the wrecking ball crane. Brown. Mia the mini digger. Black. Florence the forklift. White. Celia the cement mixer. Grey. Now I think we're ready for a game of hide and seek. I'll count. You hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come! Down at the spare parts storage shed, I can see Dylan, big and red. Where, oh where, has the next truck hid? Oh, there he is! It's Orange Sid. Who's that in the trees, where they can't be seen? Ah, it's Caroline, big and green. I can see George over there, can you? He's blending in with the sky, so blue. Is that Danny? What do you think? He's hard to miss when he's sprayed bright pink. Look over there, quick, quick, quick! It's a purple vehicle. That must be Rick. In the mud, there's a vehicle all brown. It's Ryan, knocking another wall down. Now that the wall is out of the way, we can see Celia, painted in grey. Who is that in the dark tarmac? Mia the mini digger, painted black. One more vehicle hiding in plain sight. Florence the forklift, sprayed bright white. Are you ready to say the colours one more time? Red, orange, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, grey, black, white. Now the rain is washing away all the paint and the construction trucks are back to being yellow again. To watch more of our videos, just tap here. Or to subscribe to my channel, Toddler Fun Learning, just tap here. See you again soon. Bye!